Vinblastine for Langerhans Cell Histiocytosis. Here is a quick summary about the trial. This trial is for kids with a rare cancer called Langerhans Cell Histiocytosis. Here is the timeline for this study. Screening will take approximately 3 weeks to see if you qualify. Timeline for the treatment varies by patient. After you enter the trial, you will be asked to share data with the trial for a total of 3 years. Who is eligible to participate in the trial? To qualify, a few things must be true for you. You must have the following. Stratum 3, patients from stratum I who fulfill the following criteria: AD worse in risk organs after week 6, after initial course 1, or AD worse or AD intermediate in risk organs after week 12, after initial course 2. You have recently been diagnosed with SSLCH and the cancer is not only in multiple bones, a single tumor in the central nervous system, CNS, or a single lesion in a high-risk area of the CNS. Stratum I, patients must have histological verification of the diagnosis of Langerhans cell histiocytosis, according to the criteria described in section 6.1. Now, let's talk more about the treatment. There are a total of 6 treatment groups, including 6 experimental groups. There are no active control groups in this trial. There is no placebo for this trial. Patients who enter this trial have a 100% chance of receiving the study drug. There are 3 notable highlights for this trial. 1. Approved for 30 other conditions. This treatment demonstrated efficacy for 30 other conditions. 2. No placebo-only group. All patients enrolled in this study will receive some form of active treatment. 3. All individual drugs already approved. Therapies where all constituent drugs have already been approved are likely to have better understood side effect profiles. Where is the study being run? This trial is enrolling patients across 35 locations, including St. Petersburg, Florida, Baltimore, Maryland, Birmingham, Alabama. Here is more information about the study. Here are a few interesting facts about the participants. Of all patients applying to this trial, 100% receive 1 prior treatment. For patients who have previously applied to this trial and 100% live in Nebraska. Discover more information about the trial and apply through our website at www.withpower.com.